Alright, so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how to install draw runners. I've seen a lot of clips on the internet. I reckon a lot of them do it the hard way, so I'm going to show you the way I do it, and I think it's the easy way. I am a cabinet maker. I've been doing it for the last, I don't know, what is it, over about 15 years. So I'm going to show you how to do it, alright. So here's the cabinet I made. Okay, what you got to do first is put the draw runners on the drawer. Okay, this is the carcass, this is the drawer. Okay, so that's what I refer to the carcass, this is what I refer to the drawer. Okay, so okay, let's have a look. See that? Okay. So with these runners, there is a trigger here. See that? Push it down, pull it out. Okay, that makes it easy to install. When you first do it, put the inner member, this is the inner member, this is the outer member. Put the inner member first, okay? You put it to about this part, lines with the front, okay? Put it about there, you screw that in, alright? These have a gap, see that gap there? That's the gap there to put the other screw in. Where's the other screw? There it is. There it is. Alright, so there's the other screw. So there's a gap there with the other screw. So you put this section as close as possible as that, because you want to line this up with the bottom of the drawer. Alright? So once this is lined up with the bottom of the drawer, then you screw the second screw in. Okay, I always like to start with the adjustable screw holes, just in case I do stuff it up. Then I put it into the permanent screw holes. Okay, nice and easy. Cool. So then that's screwed on. So I've done that beforehand. Okay, when you disconnect and you reconnect, you might have to like run it in and out 3 or 4 times to make it run smooth again. Alright, that's how these runners are. Now this section here. So what I'm doing here is I'm building this as a shelf. Okay, so it's not really a drawer, it's going to be a shelf, but it's the same principle. Okay, if this was a drawer, you start from the bottom. Okay, you put like a maybe a bit of a 3 or a 5 mil packer. Let's take this out. Okay, so let's get closer. Okay, so if this is a drawer, you put like a packer there, then you put that's the outer member to the carcass. And that's how you do that one. Okay? You put the outer member, maybe about 3 mil back from the front of the drawer, front of the carcass, sorry. So, don't make it exactly, don't make it flush, make this back. Okay? That's how you do that one. But I'm making this into a shelf, so it's going to go up here. Alright, so how do I line that up? What I did, I worked out where the middle was, where I wanted it, and you draw a line. Okay, so if you look at these runners, there's a big line there, alright? You just pretend that's a big line. Okay, so if you draw a line, that will be your screw line. Okay? So there's that, and there's that. Okay, I've got one there. I've got one on the other side. You can see, you can't really see it. Okay, so there's that. Easy? Easy. Okay, where are we? There we are. So, square, draw a line. Straight. Yeah, cool. So on the other side. See that? Yeah, you see that. Right. Cool. So now, drawn the line. So you use that line as your screw line, okay? So you line up, see that, you can see the hole there. That's how it lines up, okay? That's wrong, that's straight. Okay, and use that as a screw line. Well, that's the wrong way around. Okay, so what I would do is, you put the front of the drawer, front of the slide, sorry, 3 or 4 mil back, okay? And then you just line up the screw holes with the line you just drawn, and then you screw it in. And that's the easy way to do it. With screws, if you've got 16mm board, use a 16mm screw. Alright, same line. So, this is the other side of the drawer, of the shelf. Disconnect it, that's a trigger. Push it up, pull it out. Then you put the outer member, same thing. See that? Yeah, cool. Okay, nice and straight, easy. You can just put these back in. So be careful when you put these in. If you put them in crooked, you'll bend the ball bearing cage. Okay, so if you look here, see this part here, that's the ball bearing cage. If you put that drawer in crooked, this will bend and it stops up the whole runner. Okay, so just gotta be careful when you put them in. Make sure it's lined up really well. If it's a heavy drawer, get someone to help you. Okay. And then with this, you just go slowly, okay? So click, see that click? Push it in slowly, in, out, Okay, it might feel a bit tight, but that's how this is. See, when you run it in and out 3 or 4 times, none.